Hello guys, welcome to today's video. One thing I like about this site I'm going to show us today is that you can withdraw free USDT from this site while mining their coins, okay? While mining their token, while farming their coins. So you can actually withdraw some USDT from this site in the process of mining their coin. So I'm going to walk us on the process on how to do that. So the first thing first you have to do is to click the link at the description to get started. So once you click the link, you take this interface. And before we proceed, guys, I would like us to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's if you've not subscribed to it. So this is where we'll drop updates on daily basis on how to earn money online. Okay, so just come over here and go ahead to watch our videos. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button if you've not done so. Okay, so thank you so much, and let's proceed to the video, guys. So right now, you want to click the link at the description. The first thing first you have to do is to click on this go. But before clicking on this go, there is a countdown here. Okay, it's counting down. This is already 4 hours counting down, so this time is like 7 hours time. So you have to come to click this every 7 hours. So it mined 7,200 worth of your token for you. So once ever you come, just claim it, and that's it. And once ever you claim it, it starts mining a fresh one for you. So right now, click on this go icon here. Once I just click on it, it will take you to this box where the mining take place. Okay, as you can see here, you see in below. Okay, just click on that in button and it start mining automatically for you. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just allow it mine for you. And when it's mine, this is mine 2 sets of token for you. You guys can see it's mining their coin, which is the the coin here. Okay, and also mining the gem for you, which is the diamond, or you can put whatever you want. So it's mining the two coins for you. So that's one you have to know about this part. And again, you can also do spill to aim. This is where you spill and aim. Before we do that, at this mining section, there is a box over here. As you can see here, we call it the treasure box, and I have 14 out of the treasure box. So for you to unlock this treasure box, you will need key. Okay, you have a lot of key in this your dashboard. As you can see here, I have a lot of key here. Okay guys, as it's mining, it displays some ads, and what it adds for like 15 seconds to enable the miner keep mining. Okay, so that's what does happen right now. So let us give it time at. Okay, so once it's done mining, counting, once it's done watching the ad, the mining continues. So right now, this treasure box over here, this 14 treasure box, I told you need this. Look at the key here. So having like 1,212 worth of the keys. Okay, so that's what you need to be opening each box. So I'm going to show you how to open how to get the keys to help to open the treasure box. I'll just click on this treasure box right now. Once you click on this treasure box, it, as you can see, is mining the treasure box right now, and it will now display whatever the treasure box has given to me. So right now I'm having 5,000 worth of their coins. I'm having 41 keys and 119 gem. Okay, so I'll just click on get now and it added to my balance. So as you can see here, the keys are reduced because that's what I needed to open the treasure box. I don't know if you're getting it, guys. So that's how this treasure box was. The more it mines for you, the more you go to claim some treasure box. So when you see something like this and say the durability of this pickaxe is insufficient and require gold coins to repair, so just click on okay. That means some token will be taken from your balance to repair the pickaxe. Okay, so the pickaxe is this one, you use it to mine. So just once it's done like that, you continue mining your coins. Okay, so that's one thing you have to know about this site, guys. So the sweet part of this site is that you can withdraw USDT while mining their airdrop. So this is what I want to show us right now. So once you go to VRM, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your token. So heading to the third icon here, which says in. Okay, so this which is in. So once you click on it, you'll be seeing where you have to do some speed. So at this speed section, you'll be given 20 speed each day, and when you refer someone, you get 1 speed. So that's how it works. So this 20 speed, I've made some speed, and I've made some 9 speed, so I'm having 11 speed. Once you click this speed, it will make you watch ads for like 15 seconds. After the watching of the ads, you go ahead to speed. Okay, so let me just fast forward it. Alright guys, after the ads, it will spin by itself and give you some token, either the token, either USDT, or either the key. as you can see here, I've added some key here. I added to my key balance. Okay, so that's how it was. So you can hit some point, you can hit USDT and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, at the top of this fee, I'm having 31 USDT to be withdrawn. But before I withdraw it, I will be able to, I should be able to SPI to get 0.001 USDT to before I'll be able to withdraw this one. So this means I'll keep spinning, and if I'm lucky, I got any of these USDT here as it's showing this pay or this one, so I'll be able to withdraw this. So have you seen now there's additional value in this site? Okay, there's additional value, so whereby you do your spin and you earn free USDT and you can go ahead to withdraw. So right now that's one of it. Okay, so and you can see here we have a wallet section over this the SPI box here. Okay, so once you click on those wallets right now, you'll be seeing increment. Look, right now I'm having $1 here, so I can't withdraw it until I get to 3 USDT, which is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, so once I have 3 USDT here, from 2 USDT above, I can go ahead to withdraw. Okay, so once I'm sure I have 2 USDT, I'll just click on this claim and I will withdraw to any of these on-chain wallets over here, and I'll get credited instantly. That's one good thing about that site. Their site pays instantly. Okay, so that's just it. So that's how this site actually works. So right now, once we go back to the home page, which is where we started for, you can see I'm in level 1. Okay, so I'm in level 1. So this thing ranges from level 1 to level 2 to level 9. Okay, so thereby level 1 you should be having 10,000 of their coins. Level 2 you should be having 20,000 of their coins. Level 3 you should be having 30,000. Level 4 you should be having 50,000 of their coins. So that's how it goes. And this 10,000 of worth of their coin, look at it here, I'm having 11,000, so that's why I'm in level 1. So the more I keep earning, the more level I keep unlocking. So that's how it works. Okay, and right now you can as well withdraw your earning just by frequently mining of this coin. Okay, so those have to do to click on this claim icon here. So this site has many features. Okay, so just scan down, follow everything step by step as I'm showing you. It might be long, but just follow everything step by step, because you can be withdrawing from this side daily. That's if you are consistent from this side. So right now, just click on this claim button. As you can see here, you can start earning. The earning section is in process. Okay, you can't just jump to earn maybe $100-$200. You start from 0.03, which is their first withdrawal amount that can allow you to. Okay, and for you to withdraw this 0.02, you have to get 6 gem. Okay, so that's it. And 1 gem here wants $0.005. Okay, that's how it works. So the second phrase here, which is where I am now, I've withdrawn from this one. So the second phrase is this 20 gem. Okay, so which worth 0.1 okay dollars, so which I'm going to be withdrawing. Once I reach a certain amount, I'll show you the amount I need to reach to withdraw it, and every box here has this amount for you to reach to withdraw. So the next one is 60. For you to withdraw this 60 gem, which was 0.3, there's a certain amount you have to reach. So that's how it goes to 100 gem. So once you proceed, you keep going ahead to you can withdraw $50, $100 just from this site. Okay, so right now I've withdrawn this first one, which is 0.03. So for me to withdraw the second one, I'll just click on it right now. As you can see, I need like 15,000 of their coins. Okay, as you can see, 15,000 of their coins, which whereby I'm having presently 11,701. Okay, that's what I have currently. Okay, so I still have to farm to reach 15,000. Then I'll be able to withdraw this 0.1 dollars, and I'll proceed to 0.3. So that I go see I'll reach the bigger amount here, which is the $500 here. Okay, so that's how it was. So once you reach any amount here, you and click on it, you'll be seeing claim instead of how to aim point. You'll be seeing claim. That's how it was. So as you can see here, I need like 15,000, which maybe I'm having 11,700. So I'll just show you where this 11,700 is, so that you will not get confused when mining this coin. So as you can see here, 11,700. Okay, so I just have to go ahead to click on this go, enable my farming, and you see it mine automatically for me, and I'll keep increasing my coins. Okay, so right now I just have to show you how to get this key. it's very important for you to open your treasure box. I think I figured out to open the treasure box. So right, I'm having 10,000 1076k. Okay, so for me to be able to be opening my treasure box, so I'll just go ahead to show you how to do. So just click on this icon here that say this tax, the tax icon. Once you click on this tax icon, it will help you see. Okay, at this point you'll be seeing different keys. Okay, so you can also go ahead to be claiming daily reward here. So once you claim daily reward there, you'll be seeing 200 keys. You can also claim for the next day 250, as much as you can for 7 days. Then you set afresh. That's how it is. So you can also be clicking this get. Okay, this get. So I can see what I click get. I'm getting like 50k extra. I'll click on get. Once you click on this get again, I'm getting like additional 80 keys. I'll click on get. So that's how it is. You can still click on get until I claim everything here. This shows that the more you mine it, the more many features are being unlocked for you. Okay, so this is what I've get so far today. So I'll still go to claim others. That's how this actually works, guys. So for you to get your referral link, guys, for you to get your referral, so that, because once you refer someone, you'll be getting bonus. You see this invite here, you just got to click on it and you copy your referral link. Okay, so each referral you get some referral bonus. Like you click on this claim and you get some bonus, but I've actually claimed mine today, so that I can't claim it again. So that's how it works, guys. This site is full of features. So if you have any question anyway, you just don't forget to drop it at the comment section. I'm going to attend to every question, guys. So I think we'll be stopping here. I'll touch every part of this video. So if you find value in this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a nice comment, guys. So see you guys in our next video.